Welcome. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to completely turn off closed captions on Instagram so they never appear while watching videos, no matter what. Instagram often enables captions automatically to make videos accessible, but if you prefer a cleaner viewing experience, this update will guide you through the new steps to disable them for good. Let's begin. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account before moving ahead. Once it's open, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Next, look at the top right corner of your profile. You'll see the three-line menu icon. Tap on it. This will open a list of options that help you manage your account settings. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Accessibility. Tap on it. The accessibility settings are where you can control several visual and audio features that affect how content appears on your feed and reels. Inside this menu, look for the option labeled Captions. Tap it. This is where you can adjust all caption preferences for videos and reels you watch on Instagram. Finally, under the caption section, you'll see a setting called Closed Captions. Tap Never Show Closed Captions. Once you select this option, Instagram will stop displaying any automatic captions on videos in your feed, stories, or reels. You can change it back anytime if you ever want captions to appear again. And that's it. You've successfully turned off captions on Instagram. From now on, your videos will play without any on-screen text unless the creator has added text directly in the video.